I didn't just want to interpret laws, I wanted to help design them. Hi, I'm Tanya Sehrawat. I'm currently a scholar at ISPP for the class of 2026. I come from a law background. I pivoted to public policy because I realized I didn't just want to interpret laws, I wanted to help design them. I came across ISPP through LinkedIn and through social media, and I actually ended up reaching out to a lot of alums and speaking to them. I think the USP of ISPP that really stood out for me is the fact that it's such a tight-knit community. The fact that we have a lot of support, not just institutionally, but from everybody here, whether it is the scholars that I have, or whether it is the faculty I have, or the support staff, or the LASTs, it's been everybody all together, and it's been quite a fruitful journey for me. What prompted me to join ISPP was the fact that the values that it stands for, the empathy that it stands for, the philosophy that it stands for, the fact that it aims to bring back public into public policy is something that really stood out for me. When I interned at the Ministry of Social Justice, that in a policy communication role, it really sort of crystallized the fact for me that ground reality assessments are important and that bureaucratic briefings must translate into program adoption for the marginalized communities. And I thought I could best contribute this way, and I believed ISPP was the best place to be. My learning experience at ISPP was quite fulfilling. It was not just a blend of rigorous academics, but also each and everything. It is not just through the traditional textbook materials, but also with the fact that we get to constantly engage with leaders of the industry, with people who come here with a lot of experience, with a lot of expertise, how we have guest lectures with them, or how we get to be in the same room without any hierarchy, and we get to approach the founders or the CEOs of big businesses who are leading the public policy domain in their relevant company. And that to me has been a fact that really stood out. Apart from that, the support from ISPP to take part in each and everything that comes your way that is very relevant for today is something that really stood out, which is what pushed me to participate in the Harvard Policy Hackathon along with my team. And I'm really grateful for how ISPP ended up supporting my journey. I am finally placed now. I got placed at Speyside Group, which is a global corporate affairs and public policy consultancy. I hope to contribute in a better sense and keep people at the center of policy.